Happy White Elephant, Benson! Jeez, what's with all the salad stuff? You guys on a diet or something?
All right, everybody, we're down to the last two gifts. I wonder what they could be. Next up is number 6.
Oh, lucky number 6.
Rigby, come on up and pick your gift.
Which one?
Good choice, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Good. I know you know.
Well, I know you know I know.
Just open it!
Open it.
Huh? A new TV?
Happy White Elephant, bro!
Oh, what?
Okay, what's the deal, Muscle Man?
What are you talking about, bro?
Come on, we know this is a prank.
Yeah. Is this thing gonna electrocute me if I plug it in or something?
No, bro, it's not a prank.